Good morning, all the viewers. Today we are with Mr. Srenik Panchal, who have completed his graduation in 2010, and now he is an entrepreneur, and he had gone through lot many experiences during his 10 years of exposure to mechanical engineering field. Now I'll request Mr. Srenik Panchal to brief himself, and then we'll continue with the conversation. Uh, Welcome, Mr. Srenik Panchal.
Thank you, Kaushal. Hello, students. I want to take this opportunity to introduce myself. Myself, Shrenik Panchal, and I have completed my mechanical engineering with LDRP Institute of Technology, and I have been in this field from last 10 years, and I have a long journey with this, and I have started my journey with Bosch Rexroth India Limited. Uh, which is situated in Sanand, and was dealing with hydraulic systems and hydraulic cylinders. After that, I have joined Elecon Engineering with the same field. So I am continuing my field as a hydraulic engineer. You can say that. And after that, I have started my own company. I have three companies right now, and in hydraulic field. So one of my companies working with hydraulic system manufacturing and hydraulic component trading. One of my company in Morbi is looking after replacement market of hydraulic presses used in ceramic industry, and one of my company is serving in Baroda as a hydraulic cylinder parts basically. So
Your
as
company
a whole, the three companies are serving in different portfolios in hydraulic industry.
one is many of the students are keeping these hydraulics and pneumatics in option. One is they are not working on these options, and you have found out the lacking of all organizations, and have came across a good solution that we should start a company with these hydraulic phenomena and hydraulic practices. That was very good attempt, and I think you have succeeded a lot as we have discussed earlier. So, how was your experience as a student?
Actually, as a student, was not so much bright. Actually, I was much more practical than theoretically, basically. And even you know that you are in my batch, so you know that I have flunked my fifth semester, and I get back to the next batch, and it was very depressing moment for me. But somehow, means due to my family support and everything, I have come out of it, and I decided to come out of it with I try a lot to come out of it, and I think that it is not an end. We can do much more things. So after that, I have completed my engineering, and with grace of God, I get uh, and in Bosch, and Bosch we have that what say apprenticeship. Yes, apprenticeship in Bosch, and after that apprenticeship, I got confirmed due to my performance, maybe in production department, and I was in a production department as a production engineer and testing engineer. So I come across all the hydraulic systems manufactured in Bosch, and I have tested each and every system, and slowly grasp all the fundamentals of hydraulics, and I can say that my whole hydraulic foundation was Bosch Rexroth only, and they gave me all technical thing what I am implementing right now.
So, I can say you will become an inspiration for those who are working practically, but they are not good in expressing the things on paper. But they are technologically very advanced.
Yes,
They will be an inspiration for
yes,
those guys.
yes, and Definitely, definitely. They don't have to get so much depressed about the marks. I am not telling that you should stop thinking about marks. It is important. Even many ways, I have faced lot of things due to my less marks and bad result. But if it is with you, don't think that you can't move forward, or you are something which no one needs. It is always the practical and your ability to grasp new things is with you, and you should take faith inside you, and you have to punch out of it.
I have already seen you as you know, during graduation, you had an innovative approach, and you always had attempted new things during graduation also, and now you are
Yes.
searching in novel fields, so it is appreciable. I would ask one more
Thank
question.
you, thank you.
How, why,
Yes, please.
how you will encourage students to take admission in mechanical engineering? Means today students are concentrating on just one or two fields, but if they are switching over to this particular field, there is a lot much there are lot much opportunities, and there are lot many options to serve. So how you will encourage students to work in this particular field, take admission and serve this field?
Actually, mechanical field is a very vast field. मतलब, you have whatever you want. Means you have white collar jobs, you have collar jobs, jobs for each and every person which is doing mechanical engineer. मतलब, if you are not good, you have production field. मतलब, if you are good in practical but not good in theoretical, you can go with production, you can go with quality systems, where you have to deal with practical things, right? And if you are very bright and you are taking mechanical, there are lots of things, which is one of my batchmate, Mr. Prakshal Nandi. You know him? I think so. You will be knowing him. He is working with Bentley right now in UK,
Oh,
and he is into computer integration of softwares. Means he is integrating software like Katia, Proe, as per OEM's requirement. Means they have lots of things to matlab, they have to add features in some of the that kind of softwares which companies are using. So he is earning lot of money out of it, and it is very, you can say, a blue collar job, where mechanical engineering know-how is very very important, where he has also learned C++ and everything, all the languages, because he have to deal with software engine. But it you can matlab, software engine, matlab, C++ and everything you can learn afterwards, but mechanical engineering know-how will be not come if you are not doing mechanical engineering. So obviously it is on your interest if you want to go in computer, EC, electrical, whatever it is. But mechanical engineering is a specific field. If you are interested in it, then you should definitely go in it, and there is vast scope in it. And now, as Mr. Siddharth also mentioned, that now all the companies manufacturing hubs are coming in India, so there are lots of things coming, 4.0, everything is coming. So lot of mechanical squad will be required by India, and you can be one of it.
right. So, Mane, there will be huge opportunity for mechanical engineers in next few years, we can say.
Yes, definitely.
Okay. I would like to ask your experiences about industries also. So, what experiences made you to be an entrepreneur, if you can share?
Yes 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 definitely. Actually, we have hydraulic system is a very, you can say, use are very in lot of applications. So we have segments, like we have cement plants where hydraulic is used, we have steel plant where hydraulic is used, we have material handling equipments. Now, this nomenclature maybe will be not understood by students. So I will say that material handling means which are used in power plants
Right.
coal to furnace. Then we have mobile equipments like excavators and where you can see the hydraulics. Then we have hydro. Hydro means dam gates and everything. There also the dam gates are operated by hydraulic systems. Then you can say plastic injection molding where hydraulic is used. Then you can see number of applications where hydraulic is used. And I have personally have a good experience with each and every field, but right now we are working with hydro. Means Jyoti Limited is our customer, and we are supplying hydraulic power pack and cylinders for their hydro projects. We are working with Elecon, and Elecon is taking hydraulic components from us in their equipments like staker reclaimer. Maybe you are knowing or not, I don't know, but staker reclaimer is one of the best best machine from Elecon, which is used in power plants. Then injection molding machines are our daily customer, where we are supplying lots of components. Then all cylinder manufacturers are taking material from us for their material cylinder rod like whatever in JCB reciprocating cylinder rod. That is our core component as a manufacturer. We are manufacturing it. So there are lots of very much vast application of hydraulics is there. And I personally like material handling machines basically, which is made by Elecon, and it is amazing. You will see there is a huge machine which is handling coal, and you will see the application. You means what whoever is very much interested in mechanical they will love, and they will keep on looking at and keep on exploring it, what it is doing like this, what it is looking like. And even I have a core competency of designing hydraulic system, which I have started after starting my own company. So right now I am also designing a hydraulic system as per customer requirement, like how much load you want to pick, how much distance you want to travel, how much stroke you want in how much time. That all our data is collected by manufacturing units. So we are providing them all kind of components, hydraulic components. So this all are my portfolio right now.
Right. So we can say the student, if he is taking admission in mechanical engineering, there is always something for him in this field, due to which he can grow as well. He can make his career better.
Definitely.
Right. So I have come across multiple things which can be, learned by students from your
Right. True.
own story. That if uh, you are having difficulties with certain subjects, but that is not end for your career. You can cope up with them, and you can make your career better by using other subjects also. And there is no end of getting an opportunity in mechanical engineering.
Yes.
If you are working hard and you are having approach to attitude to have an option and an opportunity, you will always get it.
Yes. Yes. Definitely.
Okay. So
Even I will thank Mr. Divyang Pandya and Mr. Tushar Patel for it, to encouraging me in each and every stage of my life. Even right now, I am with contact with them, and on my last year project, Mr. Divyang Pandya sir have helped me like anything, and I can't forget that from till my life ends. He is amazing guide, amazing supporter, and amazing teacher, obviously.
Right now, sir is driving the whole department. Dr. Tushar Patel sir and Dr. Divyang Pandya sir, they are driving the department. So you can imagine what courage or
Yes, yes.
what abilities they will put in our whole staff to make students survive in this field as well to do better in this field. So I'll thank Mr. Shrenik.
Definitely, he is the great. Yes, yes. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Mr. Shrenik Panchal, for giving your precious time. I'd request you to place specific remarks if you want to share. For as a mechanical engineer, what a student should do and how they can improve themselves to serve this field.
I will say that you should always have a practical approach when you are dealing with mechanical engineering. Theoretical things are very much important to understand how practical things are going on, but always you have to think in your mind how to think out of the box. Conventional things you will learn from your books, but future is always a creation of your fresh mind, and every fresh student have that ability to do. So I will say everyone to think out of the box. There are lots of scope in mechanical engineering to do some of the creative things. And even I will say I am not seeing any entrepreneur coming in mechanical engineering. Means we are the one, but means around us we will see now everybody who is in our age running the business is their father business or like that. We are in market, I will say standalone company where all are from matlab, from salaried person to entrepreneur. So no one entrepreneur is coming in this field. Maybe it is due to lots of investment, maybe, but this investment always work. Means if you are making a computer application and it will backfire, you will have nothing to do.
Right.
And in mechanical engineering, if you have some material basically, and it sometime backfire, if your business not go on like you want, then you have the material, sell it and just get out of it.
Right.
But just try to do it. I will encourage every student to try once, whatever the dreams are. Yes, there is some problems in this. If your father is earning good, your wife is I have that privilege that I have no liabilities, so I have started. So there are lots of problem of liabilities, but if you are dreaming it, you should definitely go with it. It will definitely come out if you are a great understood how mechanical engineering goes, and if you have good know-how of market.
I must say that you will be an example which is fitting to the statement that observe, learn, and implement, and get succeeded in that implementation.
Yes.
Try your best in the field.
Yes.
Thank you very much again,
Yes,
Rick
definitely.
Mittal,
You are
for
very
sharing
right.
your thoughts and for giving your precious time to us.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you again.
Thank you so much. Yeah.